On December 11, 2004, after establishing himself as one of the hottest rising stars on the American boxing circuit, Manny Pacquiao took a surprise trip back to the Philippines to show his home crowd how much he'd improved since linking up with Freddie Roach and challenging the best fighters in the world.
I was amazed at the speed and power together. I've seen guys fast before, and I've seen guys with power before, but never someone that had both. I knew he was special.
It's hard to nail down an exact year where you could claim Manny to be in his prime, but 2004 is certainly in the mix. He had incredible speed and power combined, and now, with his newfound confidence under Freddie Roach, he was fast becoming an unstoppable force in the ring.
I hadn't seen a fighter in a smaller weight class like that. And it was clear that for as long as it lasted, it was going to be a fun ride.
Oh, man! The left hook catches Jackson!
His fight with Fasan 3K Battery went a little under the radar during this time due to the bout only being aired in the Philippines. Fasan was one of the top-rated super bantamweights in Thailand, expected at the very least to be a solid test for Manny, who was now a three-weight world champion. BLTV picks up the action in round 1.
Trying to connect and trying to measure itong si Pasong Birang. Manny Pacquiao quickly.
At may binanggit sa atin si Manny Pacquiao just before this fight. Sabi niya,
that's something that they're trying to develop together with Coach Freddie Roach. Manny Pacquiao gets nailed with the right. Itong si Pasong Birang. Meron parang isinusuntok na pabigla, no? But Manny, nainis yata sa suntok na binigay sa kanya.
Mukha yata nagalit si Manny. Eto na.
And Pasong Birang gets tagged by that right, Kinito. That right is hurting ito si Pasong Birang. And Manny Pacquiao now getting a measure of Pasong Birang now trying to go to his midsection itong si Pasong Birang.
In terms of his footwork, wala siyang masyadong footwork dito. He's letting his fists do the talking sa laban na ito with 1:25 to go. Eto, that's a slip. That's a slip.
And Ferdy Estrella calls it wisely. It's a slip. Ito pong si Pasong Birang lost his footing.
Mabigat yung kanan na jab ni Manny Pacquiao. No? That's a setup jab for his left hand. So far, it's been a defensive fight for Fasan because Manny Pacquiao has been all over him. It's a swarming attack. Ito, again, a takedown. That's a slip. Even kung hindi niya mapatumba si Fasan here in this first round, he's got to keep his